welcome to English Made Easy. In today's lesson, we will discuss the preposition of direction. But first, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that shows like time, place, and direction. Today, we will learn about the preposition of direction. What is preposition of direction? We use these prepositions to talk about the location of places in a city or on a map. These prepositions are often used when giving directions. For example, where is the supermarket? The supermarket is between the gas station and the bakery. Where is the drugstore? The drugstore is across the bus stop. Where is the bank? The bank is on the corner of the Summer Street. Now, let's talk about the common prepositions of directions. Repeat after me. On, across from, behind, between, in front of, far from, near, next to, beside. Now, let's use them in a sentence. I will also show pictures for you to easily understand the differences in the usage of each common preposition. The bank is beside the police station. The church is across from the bank. The drugstore is between the post office and the movie theater. The restaurant is next to the movie theater. The police station is behind the store. The post office is in front of the bank. The school is far from the restaurant. The police station is between the bank and the store. The school is near the library. Now, let's practice. Using this map, complete the sentences using the correct prepositions. The toy store is blank the music store and the restaurant. You're right. It's between. The bookstore is blank the music store. Very good. It's across. The supermarket is blank the bookstore. You're right. It's beside or next to. The school is blank the fast food restaurant. Great job! It's near. Now, Let's have a fun activity. I will show you another map and I want you to complete the sentences. Get your paper and pencil. I want you to write your answers and let's check your scores after the activity. Are you ready? The post office is blank the bank. The drugstore is blank the post office and the movie theater. The train station is blank the school. The police station is blank the store. The movie theater is blank the restaurant. The school is blank the bank. The police station is blank the bank and the store. Now, are you ready to know your scores? Let's check. The post office is across the bank. The drugstore is between the post office and the movie theater. The train station is across the school. The police station is beside the store. The movie theater is near the restaurant. The school is far from the bank. The police station is between the bank and the store. How many scores did you get? Comment on your score in the comment section. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed our topic. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips and language lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving. Happy grammaring! English Made Easy also prepared a questionnaire to test if you understood our lesson today. You can check it out in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And for you to be updated on our latest videos, click the notification bell down below.